Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Dodge Charger battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is set. For your safety, please wear protective eyewear and gloves throughout the entire process. This will help prevent any accidental electrical shocks or chemical exposure. Now, let's locate your old battery, which is usually in the trunk of your Dodge Charger, often under a cover. Using your 10mm wrench, disconnect the negative battery terminal first. This is crucial for safety. Then, disconnect the positive terminal. After both terminals are free, carefully remove the battery hold-down clamp or strap that secures the battery in place. With the old battery removed, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the new battery's terminals using your terminal brush. This ensures a good connection. Now, carefully position the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Next, connect the positive battery terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, reversing the disconnection order. Finally, reinstall the battery hold-down clamp, ensuring the new battery is firmly secured and cannot move. Double-check that both the positive and negative terminal connections are snug and tight, but be careful not to over-tighten them. You can also apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to the terminals. Now, start your Dodge Charger to confirm the new battery is functioning perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.